In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Google Workspace subscription plan to the cheapest available option in just 5 minutes. We all know that managing costs in a business is crucial, and downgrading your plan can be a good way to save money if you don't need all the advanced features. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to access Google Workspace. If you're already familiar with logging into Google Workspace, you're ahead of the game. But for those who need a little refresher, it's important to remember that Google Workspace is essentially a suite of cloud-based productivity and collaboration tools. You can go to the main page on your browser by typing in Google Workspace in your search bar. Once you've landed on the Google Workspace page, the next step is to click on the Admin Console. This area is the control center of your Google Workspace account, where you can manage settings and users. To proceed, you'll need to log in using your business email. A quick reminder, make sure that your credentials are up to date to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, look towards the top right corner. There you'll find the Google Apps menu. The icon might resemble a small grid or a cluster of dots. Click to expand this menu. Next, from the list inside the apps menu, click on the admin icon. This will take you directly to the hub where you'll manage all the functionalities of your Google Workspace. Now we head to the billing section to make changes to your subscription plan. On the admin page, locate the menu or section labeled billing. Clicking on this will present you with more options. The one we are interested in is subscriptions. Selecting this option will guide you to your current plan and provide options for making changes. The next step is to click on add or upgrade a subscription. Now this might sound counterintuitive since we're discussing downgrading, but bear with me, it's the necessary navigation to get to where we need to go. Once there, look for the downgrade button. It's usually quite prominent and easy to find. Finally, after opting to downgrade, follow the prompts by clicking on next. You'll be guided through selecting a new, more cost-effective plan and proceeding to the payment plan and checkout. Double check everything, make sure you're satisfied with the terms and conditions, and then you're set. And there you have it. You've successfully downgraded your Google Workspace plan to the cheapest option, all while maintaining the essential features you need for your business. It's a straightforward process that can lead to significant cost savings. By reviewing your subscription periodically, you can ensure you're only paying for what you truly need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made your day a little bit easier.